Hi guys, it's unboxing, I promised. It's from BPS7 US1, I believe. I think I've got that right. I sent him one of my slingshots quite a while ago. Had some problems with the mail, and Brian's had to send out another parcel, which is appreciated. And I promised him an unboxing, and that's what we're going to do. Now, I have absolutely no idea what's in it. Quite a bit by the look of it. Yeah, quite a bit. Fucking hell. Go on, it just keeps on coming. Holy shit, dude. Right, where to start? Now this is what it was originally going to be. It was a bag for me to keep my ammo in. Oh, that is well cool. Damn, you've got some patience. And that is for my Catty ammo. That is very cool. There's no way on this earth I would have the patience to do that. Not a chance. That is cool. That's a pointy little fucker, isn't it? It's unidirectional by the look of it. I don't actually know who that is, but I like the knife, and I'll certainly be looking into it. Make a better sheath for it. Wow, that's a right little sticker. And that first production run with Bear Ops. It's quite the little stiletto as well, isn't it? Little pry bar on the bottom. 154 cm. And make a drink then.
I don't want the Coke out the fridge.
Right, excuse me guys, I'm just gonna have to get the Coke out the fridge. And that is a traditional Higo, I believe. A Higo, I don't know what the proper word is, I'm not even going to pretend I know. Gonna have a go at making one of these soon. What else have we got? Tactical pen. I'm starting a collection of these things. We'll see what model that is. Kershaw liner lock. Needs repairing. It's quite a nice shape as well. And paracord stuff. Monkey's fist. Good for keeping the cat at bay. It's a cool lanyard. like those little skulls. Some Schmuckatelli beads. Not going to get them all out of the bag, we'll be here forever. I'll have a look at them later. Wow, he's a good one. I like him. What's that for? Shouldered stop pin. Bearings. Oh, cool. Very cool. It's quite cool. I've got a piercing that it's a shame I'd have got that through if it wasn't for never mind. Well, that's a lot of stuff. It's been, like I say, it's been a long time coming, but it's finally here. Thumb wheel, thumb disc. Cool. Thanks, Brian. Thank you very much.